Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do the exercise of this chapter. Question number 2 is select the most suitable answer. So you have to do it. You have to choose the correct answer. Then is fill in the blanks. We have to do fill ups. Correct the following incorrect statement. Here you are given incorrect statements और आपको correct करके you have to write those statements in the space provided. In his schooling days, Einstein was very weak in mathematics. Was he weak in mathematics? No. Mathematics is the only subject which he has special attraction to. In his school days, Einstein was very weak in studies. In 1933, Einstein got the Nobel Prize for his work on Raman effect, for which theory he got the Nobel Prize. In 1921, he got the Nobel Prize in 1921 instead of 1933. Einstein got the Nobel Prize for his work on photoelectric effect. So you have to do these questions in the manner which I have told, and first try to do it yourself, then take help from ma'am's responses. Okay, then is word power. In word power, use words of opposite meaning in place of the colored one. Here you are given some colored words और इनकी जगह आपको क्या करना है, इनके opposites fill करने हैं. Example we are given with an empty road. उसका opposite क्या होगा? A busy road. A big house. Opposite will be big का opposite small. An expensive car. Expensive का opposite क्या होगा? Cheap. A white pigeon. White pigeon होगा. White का opposite is black. A thin का a fat woman. A thin का opposite यहाँ पे होगा fat. A fat. A good servant. A bad servant. Okay. In next question, match these words with their definitions. Here you are given the definitions, and in the box you are provided with the word जिसकी definition is provided. Whose definition is provided? One who deals with life science. Who deals with life science? The person who deals with life science is known as biologist. That which is passed on from one generation to another. जो एक जनरेशन से दूसरी जनरेशन तक चलता आ रहा हो वो क्या होता है? हेरिडिटरी. That which cause injury to body tissues, especially nose, fingers, toes, due to freezing. Freezing से क्या होता है? Have you heard the word frostbite? So, when your body tissues died due to the cold weather, it is known as frostbite. पूरा हाथ का और जहाँ पे भी आपको ठंड लगती है, जहाँ के टिश्यू डैमेज होते हैं वो पूरे काले हो जाते हैं. इट इज़ नोन एज फ्रोस्टबाइट. वहाँ की स्किन टिश्यूज़ वो बिल्कुल डैमेज हो जाते हैं. दैट विच इज़ कैरिड आउट अलॉन्ग विद अनदर. किसी चीज़ के साथ जो काम किया जाता है. ही अकम्पनीड हिम. वो उसके साथ गया. आई विल अकम्पनी यू. मैं आपके साथ जाऊँगा. ओके. अकम्पनी यानी एक किसी चीज़ के साथ कोई काम करना, या फिर एक टास्क के साथ दूसरा टास्क होना, या किसी पर्सन के साथ चलना. सो इट इज़ अकम्पनीड. नेक्स्ट इज पीपल हु वॉच अ शो. जो शो देखते हैं वो कौन होते हैं? ऑन लुकर्स. दैट विच इज़ डन ऑटोमेटिकली विदाउट बीइंग टोल्ड. खुद ही जो इफ़ेक्ट्स होते हैं स्पॉन्टेनियस. लाइक कई बार जो सडन रिएक्शंस होते हैं दैट इज़ नोन एज स्पॉन्टेनियस. दैट विच इज़ स्ट्राइकिंग एंड डन अनएक्सपेक्टेडली. ड्रामेटिक. a film or report providing factual record. जो actual record या किसी true based story या facts के ऊपर बनी होती है, those films are known as documentaries. Refer to people of a country or group. Population, that which is used to exhibit or show off, display. Okay, then is articles. We have already done article, so this you have to do on your own. Then you will take help from ma'am's response. Don't copy it. First do it yourself, then correct it, check it with ma'am's responses. These are prepositions. Prepositions are words like on, in, of, for, against, under, over. So these are prepositions जो किसी चीज़ की पोजीशन के बारे में बता रहे हैं. That is preposition. The teacher excused me for not attending his class. So these are the answers given in the box, and you have to try to fill these fill-ups with these words. First you have to do it on your own, then you will check it from ma'am's responses. Choose and write the correct meaning given alongside. यहाँ पे आपको रिस्पॉन्सेस गिवन हैं, इसमें से आपको सही आंसर चूज़ करना है. दैट कैन बी डन, पॉसिबल, टू कम बैक, रिटर्न, टू रीच अ प्लेस, अराइव, टू कॉपी एन एक्शन, इमिटेट. इमिटेट मीन्स कॉपी करना. मंकीज इमिटेट यू, किड्स, स्मॉल बेबीज इमिटेट द एल्डर्स. सो इमिटेट मीन्स कॉपी करना. टू सेंड इंफॉर्मेशन, मैसेज. Okay, so this is the total back exercise. So do it properly, try to do it on your own, then take help from ma'am's responses.